Okay. Do you like to proceed to the announcement of the women bid of Mr. and Miss Nutrition 2012? Excited pa ba kayo? Okay, sige, upo na. Okay. Ready na ba kayo? O sige, inihintay ko lang umupo yung mga gwapong lalaki at babae doon sa dulo. Okay? Upo at bibigyan ko kayo ng isang maganda. Ang lalaking nakatalikod na ang tingin niya ang mata ay nasa likod. Ayun. Mula sa lapu-lapu. Okay. Now. This will be a goodbye message from our Miss Nutrition 2011. Nga pala, Miss Physically Fit pala last year. Yun ang term pala natin doon. Hindi Miss Nutrition, kundi Miss Physically Fit. Sorry, hindi dumating si Mr. Okay, so let's the Miss Physically Fit 2011 is Joanna Marie Abbes.
Since August 5, 2011, I have been blessed to wear this beautiful crown and carry the title Miss Physically Fit 2011. And since the crowning moment, I had the time of my life. I have smiled, laughed, met new people, and even got a special award, People's Choice Award last year. No words can express how great I am to have a unique title of Beauty with a Good Beauty. I would have made it without the continuous love and support of my family, my mom, my #1 fan and supporter. My everything, I would not be the person, my family, to the rest of family. You are the biggest fan and you never miss a beat. You have supported me since day one. I would have made it far without each and every one of you. I express how blessed I am to have you all my life, especially for the former True Diamond and my beloved advisor, Mrs. Carolino, who have unleashed the best out of me. I also thank the organizer, Mr. Miss Physically Fit 2011, who nurtured our minds and encouragement and still kept an eye on each and every step up in the very moment. Every person, every smile, every hug, every picture reminds me of a wonderful year that has passed. I believe that true beauty is a woman with personality that left, carried over everyone around her. A bank of tears that life of people are smiles of beauty, sadness of style. As I take my final walk as the Virginic title holder, I will always Joanna Marie B. Abbes, is Physically Fit 2011. Thank you.
the most awaited part of our awardee. Okay? Sino bet nyo? Sabot! O, sabihin! Sino? Oy! Magaganda! Oo nga. Magaganda, di ba? Meron ng portion, meron ng number si Abet. O bakit siya na naman?
Siya na lang po!
O sige, gising na kayo lahat?
Opo!
Okay. May I call on our most supportive barangay chairman, Mr. Romeo Miong Matias. O, sir, ang sarili. Hindi na kayo magsasabi na answer.
Lilipat. Lang.
Magandang hapon. Ayan. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng estudyante ng Llano High School. Palakpakan po natin ang Llano High School. Sapagkat ngayon po ay panahon ng July na kung saan ngayon po ay panahon ng July kung saan tayo po ay nag-celebrate ng nutrition month. So, nakita ko po mukhang matataba at talagang physically fit naman po yung mga estudyante. Physically fit ba? Subukan nga natin. Are you okay? Are you alright? Ayan. Mukhang dapat talaga, mas lalo pa kayong kumain ng gulay kasi mahina. Ulitin natin, ha? Are you okay? Are you alright? Ayan, lalong nagkasakit, lalong mahina. So, hindi ko na po pakakahabaan ang aking speech dahil kasi nutrition month eh. Tsaka pangalawa, coronation ng ating ano ba itong pa niya? Technology and Livelihood Education Department ng Llano High School. So sa lahat po ng sa lahat po ng estudyante ng Llano High School, alam ko po na napakadaming programa ng Llano sa pakikipagtulungan po ng ating mga magulang, estudyante at participation po ng estudyante ng Llano High School. So, sana po, patuloy po natin suportahan at maging aktibo po tayo sa lahat po ng programa ng Llano High School. Yun lang po at magandang hapon po sa inyo. Thank you.
Sige, gusto niyo kumending? Ayaw niyo mag-iaya ako si Miss Nutrition? Kending daw muna. Okay, everybody stand up! Okay, ready? O ano? Akala ko ba gusto niyo kumending? Okay, kending lang. Okay, kending. O sige, go. Ang pinakamagandang kumending. Akala ko ba gusto sabi ko sa inyo. Takutan. Okay. Hoy, upo muna lahat. Upo muna. Upo. 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 Okay. Mag-Chrysler. Eto ha, totohanan to. Ay, ayaw makinig. Sir, pakilakasan nga po yung mic. Okay. Kaya ako pinalakasan ng mic, may magandang balita sa inyo. Hatiin kaya natin. No?